You would not believe what is behind these trees in this old shed. Never would have been seen during the summertime.
One thing about it with all these trees here.
Yeah.
Calm down what you gotta do to remove it. That's good though. Let's see here.
A little bit of an obstacle course.
That's good though, I could say that.
Keeps the strays out.
Those dang pack rats are bad.
Yeah. So what's this one?
This 57 Ford.
57 Ford F100. Wait, do you know when they changed over from calling them the F1 to the F100?
Oh gosh, that's almost the 80s or so.
I know my grandpa had it was about a 48 or 49 F1.
That's the usual, this damn HUD deal there's frozen.
Let's see.
Loves it. It's nothing but the brakes there.
Yeah. So how long have you had this one?
Got it in 71 when I got out of Orange there. I put it. And redid the dash there a little bit.
Yeah.
Put a vacuum gauge in.
Looks like an old tube TV.
Yeah.
The old fleet size.
That's it, got some junk mail again.
So what engine did this? I see it's a V8.
Yeah, this is 272.
272. Two barrel?
But most, no, it just V8 overhead.
Yeah. So how about this?
That's a 56 Ford,
56.
You can see on top of the hood there where it's kind of being ground off there.
Oh yeah, up here.
Yeah, say they had like county sheriff, highway patrol.
So this was for police use, huh?
Yeah.
Law enforcement?
And if you look on it's got the spotlight on it.
That's also a V8. You know what engine that has in it?
That's a 312, yeah.
312. And I'm sure it had a 4-barrel carburetor.
Yeah.
Make it go
Yeah,
fast.
carburetor, well, I got, I'm trying to think what year there. Long story how I got this.
Well, I got time.
I kind of sold a guy a 28 Cobra Jet Mustang there. This was kind of in the deal there.
Oh, so little money, little trade.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was just looking at a Thunderbird, and he has a 428. He got it from his dad. It has a 428 in it.
I didn't know at the time there. This one, only 50 of them were made.
So it's got some good value.
Pardon the thunder there. And anyway, if you look on the left side there, you'll see some sanding and paint colors change again.
Yeah.
Where they had the radio, big whip antenna for the radio.
Okay. And you can see this is where the whatever logo they had on it for the sheriff or the police.
Yeah, on the top there,
Yeah, on the door here I'm looking at.
Oh yeah.
There must have been something there.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, you can, and the VIN number is verified law enforcement. This comes from down near Newt.
Oh, really? I grew up near there.
Anyway.
Yeah, still got the spotlight there.
I don't know if you can see down the rear fender there.
Oh, yeah. And what was that again?
For the whip antenna.
Oh, okay.
On the rear fender.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little better view on the front from the top there.
So it looks like it was blue with a white top.
Yeah. This may have been a highway patrol due to the space of Ford County Sheriff. Hard to tell him there. Well, the guy I got it from had a cousin.
Yeah. Yeah, it still has a Harvey County license plate on it. Let's see what year the plate is. 68. No, 60. Well, let's see here. Yeah, 68.
This was in kind of a small grass fire once.
Oh, yeah.
You kind of noticed the windows and that, and maybe some of the plastic, like in the tail light.
I don't know if this will...
Thing kind of up here on that windshield where it's broken there. Anyway, there you go.
Yeah.
Had kind of a small grass fire evidently around it at one time. And as usual, you look in the rear floorboard and see ground.
Yeah.
That's common on them.
Mind if I try to open the hood?
Go right ahead.
I kind of think your idea of it being, possibly being with the highway patrol, the fact that it's a two-door, that would make sense. Because that's, I would think that would be more.
I was going by the length of the standing on the lettering there too.
Yeah.
So it's probably frozen like every damn thing.
Yeah, it moves. Now I just got to be careful. I won't open it all the way because that'll just let dirt inside, but take a look at the engine here. Turn my light on.
Anyway.
Yeah, I saw the air cleaner inside.
Yeah, this was about the year 2000 I got this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the pack rats aren't too bad in there, just some loose leaves.
Anyway, on that, the carburetor, the gaskets and the diaphragms, everything went to hell there.
Yeah.
So anyway, I took the carb off there, and I took a 12-volt battery, then I put a 12-volt coil in it. Then the starter, running a 12-volt battery, just start it, don't hurt anything. And it turned over and ran.
Huh. Yeah, this car, even with the rust, it has some good value to it. whenever you get ready to sell it, that even with all the trouble, it's got a good history, a good story behind it.
Yeah, then the green pickup back there, it's a 57, it had a 312 in it.
This one out here?
Yeah. It's got the heads off the engine and that.
Yeah.
No, that's a green one. This
What's
one
that?
here's has the 292 in it. It's
Oh.
a 62 Ford.
Yeah.
Then the one utility bed over there is a 71.
So how long have you had this white one?
Oh shit, probably about, I forget how long.
Long time. This is what Farm Finds is all about. I was just driving around this small town and I saw these cars. I happened to catch the owner at home and he's like, yeah, let me tell you the story about these cars. And it's really exciting to see these old Ford pickups. They've not been driven in a long time. The trees have grown up to basically have blocked them in the shed. But the really special find here is this old police cruiser, this law enforcement cruiser. Maybe it was a highway patrol, we don't really know, but it's gonna be rare. It's a coupe, not a four-door, and it's all original. It's really cool find. Thanks for joining me, and look forward to seeing you again.